I don't need change to high-value item. Just give as many stationery as you can. This is Monica's 7th scoop order. She likes Sanrio, DC, and no hair accessories. Congratulations, a cosmetic box. This is our rarest item. Because she waiting so long for our vacation, so we extra add more gift for her. A bag. A plushie. Blind box. Congratulations, another bag. Two wallets. One taba squishy. Seven correction tape. Extra add 8 more. And a week planner. Three pen bag. One blind box. Three bracelets. Past 2 claw clip. Change to mini notebooks. Five mystery card. Extra add a big journal. Two card bag. Toothbrush. Three greeting card. This set have 4 designs.